How to activate your Reason bank card. You can activate your Reason's debit card, credit card, ATM card, or Reason's Now card from your online banking account or the Reason's mobile app. Only card issued to the person enrolled in online banking can be activated. Other card holders on your account must log in or enroll separately. In online banking, log into your account from the Customer Service menu, select Services. Under the Card Services section, select Activate Card, enter your new card number, the last four digits of your social security number, and the card expiration date. Select Submit. You'll receive confirmation that your new card has been activated and available for immediate use. Now in the mobile app, from the main menu, select Cards. Under Convenience, select Activate Card, enter your new card number and the card expiration date and select Activate Card. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.